Don't stress over on what you can't change. Change can be scary, but allowing fear to stop you from growing, evolving, and progressing is definitely much scarier. Never believe you are above or below anyone. Keep a humble spirit. Every morning you have two choices. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. You can often change your circumstances by changing your attitude. The way to happiness is keep your heart free from hate, your mind from worry. Live simply and give much. Fill your life with love. When you're given a new day, don't repeat the old mistakes. Make yourself a priority once in a while. It is not selfish. It is necessary. If you see someone without a smile, give them yours. Feelings are just visitors. Let them come and go. If you want to make a change, start from yourself.